Did you know that companies with more women in leadership roles tend to outperform those with less gender diversity? Yep, that's right. Today, we're going to explore the reasons why we need more women in leadership and boardroom positions, and how companies and recruiters can help make that happen. So, buckle up and let's dive into this important conversation. Unfortunately, women are still underrepresented in leadership roles across the globe. In G7 countries, only about 28% of leadership positions are held by women. The gender pay gap is another persistent issue, with women earning, on average, 84 cents for every dollar earned by men. We need to change this, and here's why. Companies with more women in leadership positions tend to be more innovative, make better decisions, and even perform better financially. Take PepsiCo, for example. Under the leadership of CEO Indra Nooyi, the company's net revenue grew by a whopping 80%. Now, that's impressive. But of course, there are challenges we need to overcome to get more women into these roles. Unconscious bias in recruitment and promotion processes, work-life balance, and creating inclusive work environments are all crucial issues that need to be addressed. So how can we create a more level playing field for women in leadership? Companies can start by setting clear goals for gender diversity, implementing mentorship and sponsorship programs, and providing leadership development opportunities for women. All of these steps can help create a strong pipeline of future women leaders. Recruiters, you have an important role to play too. You can help by attracting and retaining female talent, using gender-neutral language in job advertisements, and encouraging diversity and inclusion training for hiring managers. Remember, the goal is to create a fair and objective hiring process that promotes women based on merit. Now, let's tackle some common questions people might have. For example, how can companies ensure they're not promoting women just for the sake of diversity? Well, by focusing on qualifications and experience and implementing fair and transparent recruitment and promotion processes, companies can make sure they're promoting women who have demonstrated their ability to succeed in leadership roles. In conclusion, promoting gender diversity in leadership positions benefits everyone: companies, employees, and society as a whole. By working together, we can create a more inclusive and diverse workplace where women in leadership roles are not the exception but the norm. So let's take action and pave the way for a more equitable and successful future for all. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the importance of women in leadership. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, we can make a difference.